Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon also. Then only you will receive notification as and when we upload videos. Okay, this is the continuation of our previous video. Previously we have posted many videos under differential equations and solved many problems under that topic. If you haven't seen those videos, still kindly check with the playlist. Okay, now we are going into the video. What is the first question in this part? This is almost part 4. Okay, we are going to see the elimination of x and y in the given differential equations. In this problem, elimination of y between the given differential equations, two differential equations given, we need to eliminate the y. Okay, so d by dt we can write it as, okay, d by dt, how can we write? Dx by dt, dx, capital D denotes d by dt minus 7x plus y equal to 0. Then for this, dy minus 2x minus 5y equal to 0. How can we rearrange? D minus 7 into x plus y equal to 0. Say it is a equation 1. For this, d minus 5 into y minus 2x equal to 0. Okay, say it is a equation 2. Now we are going to solve this equation and we should eliminate y. We'll see how. See, okay, for first equation, multiply by d minus 5. What we get? D minus 5. Multiply by d minus 5 in the first equation. Okay, so d minus 5 into d minus 7 into x plus d minus 5 into, that is 1 multiplied by d minus 5. Okay, so d minus 5 equal to 0. Then here d minus 5 into y. So this is d minus 5 into y. So equation 1 multiplied by d minus 5. D minus 5 into d minus 7 into x plus d minus 5 into y equal to 0. Then just repeat this equation, d minus 5 into y minus 2x equal to 0. So this is equation 2. So here see, subtracting 2 from 3. 3 minus 2, what we will get? Minus sign, plus sign. So these and these get cancelled. Then d minus 5 into d minus 7 into x. This is plus 2x, in right hand side 0. Okay, now we are going multiply inside and will solve. Okay, d squared minus 5d, again minus 7d plus 35 in plus here also 2 in common x is common now, in common x equal to 0. So d squared minus 12d plus 35 plus 2 37 into x equal to 0. So this is the, so here see, we have eliminated y from this equation. Okay, and there is no y. So this is the answer, d squared minus 12d plus 37 into x equal to 0. Option 3 is the right option. We'll move on to the next problem. Here also same thing. What is eliminate y from the given equation? See, what is the equation? D by dt, d plus 4 in common x. Okay, d plus 4 into x plus 3y equal to t. Say it is a equation 1. Then here d plus 5 into y. Here d plus 5 into y. So d plus 5 into y plus 2x equal to e power 2t. Now in this equation we need to eliminate y. So we'll solve this. So how to eliminate y? By substituting, see. So okay, we'll see. Equation 1 multiply by equation multiply by d plus 5 in equation 1. Okay, what we will get? D plus 5 into D plus 4 into x plus 3 D plus 5 into y plus D plus 5 into t in RHS side. So, this is, say it is a equation 3. Then this equation, okay, for this what we need to do, D plus 5 into y plus 2. For equation 2 multiply by 3. So when see already we have to eliminate y. So here 3 into D plus 5 into y, here simply D plus 5 into y. So whenever when we multiply by 3, equation 2 multiply by 3, what we will get? 3 into D plus 5 into y plus multiply by 3, 6x equal to 3 e power 2t. Say it is a equation 4. Now 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 nothing but change minus sign here. So plus 3d plus 5, this and this get cancelled. Then what we will get? D plus 5, D plus 4 into x minus 6x equal to D plus 5 into t. Okay, I will write in common D plus 5 into D plus 4 plus 6, right? Plus 6 is x is common na outside, minus 6, sorry, minus 6. Then in right hand side D plus 5 into t minus 3 e power 2t. So we are going to, in this equation, see we have eliminated y, and according to the option we should multiply inside and will simplify. Okay, let's see. So whenever multiplying inside, I am just rewriting the equation D plus 5 into D plus 4 minus 6 into x equal to that D plus 5 into t minus 3 e power 2t. So now we are going to simplify this equation. Just multiply inside d squared plus 4d plus 9d plus 20, right? 20 minus 16 what? 20 minus 6 14. So 14 into x equal to d represents d by dt. So d by dt, differentiating this, what we will get? 1 plus 5t minus 3 e power 2t. So this is the answer. D squared plus 9d plus 14 into x equal to 1 plus 5t minus 3 e power 2t. For this, what is the answer? Option 1. D squared plus 9d plus 14 into x equal to 1 plus 5t minus 3 e power 2t. So we have eliminated constant y from this equation. Okay, then the same thing, eliminating next problem from dx by dt minus y equal to t, dy plus dt plus x equal to t squared. So in this equation, see, dx minus y equal to t, dy plus x equal to t squared. We need to eliminate the y. So say this is equation 1 and equation 2. From 1 find out y. So y equal to dx minus t equal to y, right? So now substitute this y value here. Substitute y in equation 2. So what we will get? Differentiation of d into dx minus t plus x equal to t squared. So d squared x minus t plus x equal to t squared. So we will rearrange that. D squared x, d squared x, this is dt references, this is capital D, nothing but d by dt. Differentiation with respect to t, we will get 1 only. So okay, 1. So clubbing d squared x plus x equal to t 1 plus this minus 1. So d squared plus 1 into x equal to 1 plus t squared. So what is the answer? So this one. We have eliminated y from this equation. D squared plus 1 into x equal to 1 plus t squared. D squared plus 1 into x equal to 1 plus t squared. Option 3 is the right option. We'll move on to the next problem. What is the solution of this equation? We need to find out the solution for this equation. So we can rearrange this dx plus y equal to sin t and dy plus x equal to cos t. One, say it is a equation 1 and say it is a equation 2. Okay. So now we are going to solve this equation. Okay. So d by dt, d represents d by dt. First equation we should differentiate with respect to differentiating the first equation. See, differentiate the equation 1, what we will get? D squared x plus dy equal to differentiation of sin t. Differentiation of sin t. So what we will get? D squared x plus dy differentiation of sin t equal to cos t. Say it is a equation 3. Now we need to find out the x and y value from this equation. So 3 minus 2, what we will get? This is 3 and this is 2. Okay. 3 minus 2 na, so minus dy minus x equal to minus cos t. So this is equation 2. So I am writing, okay, plus dy minus dy get cancelled. So d squared in common, d squared minus 1 into x will get 0 in right hand side. Cos t minus cos t is 0. So d squared minus 1 into x equal to 0, which means that what is the auxiliary equation? Now we are going to solve this equation to find out complementary function and solution for x. So auxiliary equation is nothing but replace d by m squared minus 1 equal to 0. We have two roots for m equal to 1 comma 1. Sorry, m equal to plus or minus 1, plus 1 minus 1. Okay. M equal to square root of 1 plus or minus square root of 1, m equal to plus or minus 1. So we have roots are real and unequal. For that, what is the solution? X equal to a e power x, here t with represent t, a e power t plus b e power minus t. This is with represent t only na, d equal. So this is the solution for x, a e power t plus b e power minus. Now we need to find out the y value. So y value, how can we find? Just substitute in that equation, dx plus y equal to sin t. So dx is nothing but differentiation of x. X is what? A e power t plus b e power minus t. A e power t plus b e power minus t. So differentiation of x plus y equal to sin t. Okay. So what is that? Y, we need to find out y. Says so y equal to sin t. This will go to right hand side as minus. So differentiation of this sign, what we will get? A. So I am writing again for our understanding. Okay. Differentiation of this term, a e power t plus b e power minus t. So this is nothing but y equal to sin t minus differentiation of a e power t only, then differentiation of b e power minus t minus b e power minus t. Already one minus sign is there, so minus into minus plus. So y equal to sin t minus a e power t plus b e power minus t. So this is the y value and this is the x value. Okay. So which one? Option 2, a e power t plus b e power minus t, then y equal to sin t minus a e power t plus b e power minus, this one. Option 2 is the right option. We'll move on to the next problem. Elimination of x is the equation. We need to eliminate x from this. Okay, we'll see. So dx plus cy equal to 0, then dy minus cx equal to 0. Say it is a equation 1 and this is equation 2. So first equation multiply by c in first equation, what we will get? Multiply by c dx plus c squared y equal to 0. Say it is a equation 3. So we need to eliminate x. Should be very careful. We need to eliminate x. So we need to cancel this. So here c dx, here minus cx. What is missing? When we multiply by equation d, these and these get cancelled. So equation 2 multiply by d. So d squared y minus c dx equal to 0. This is equation 4. So cancelling, adding these two equations, these and this get cancelled, plus d squared plus c squared into y equal to 0. So this is the solution, elimination. After elimination, we are getting d squared plus c squared equal into y equal to 0. Option 3 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. From this, eliminate y from this equation. Okay. Okay, dy plus 4x plus 3y equal to t. Say it is a equation 1. Then dy plus 2x plus 5y equal to t. dy plus 4x plus 3y equal to t. dy plus 2x plus 5y equal to t. So from this take common, d plus 3 into y plus 4x equal to t. It is also reformed equation of 1 only. So we can say this as equation 1. Okay. Then d plus 5 into y plus 2x equal to t. Say it is a equation 2. So we need to eliminate y. So we need to cancel this y. How can we cancel this y? Multiplying d plus 5 in the equation 1, or okay, see 1 multiply by d plus 5. What we will get? See, d plus 5 into d plus 3 into y plus 4 into d plus 5 into t into d plus 5. Okay. Then equation 2. Equation 2, say, see d plus 5 into d plus 3y. In equation 2, d plus 3 is missing. When we multiply by d plus 3, these two terms get cancelled. So equation 2 multiply by d plus 3. So d plus 5 into d plus 3 into y plus 2 into d plus 3 equal to t into RHS side d plus 3. Okay. So minus sign, when we minus this, these and this get cancelled. So then 4 into d plus 5. So what we will get? 4 into d plus 5 minus 2 into d plus 3. So here dt, differentiation of t, we will get 1 plus 5t. Here 1 plus 3t. So 1 plus 5t minus 1 plus 3t. 1 plus 5t minus 1 minus 3t. So 1 and 1 get cancelled. So by simplifying, I am writing here. So 5t minus 3t, 2t. So right hand side is over. 2t is the final simplification. Here we need to simplify. So 4d, 4 into d plus y. So 4d plus 20 minus 2d minus 6 equal to right hand side 2t. So 4d minus 2d, 2d, 20 minus 4. Here what is missing? X is missing, right? X. Okay. in common x. Okay, 2d, 4 minus 2 2d, 20 minus 4 14, 14 into x equal to 2t. So 2d plus 14 into x equal to 2t. This one, option 1 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. Y equal to, so read the question carefully. Y equal to a plus b e power minus x is the solution of, here solution is given, we need to find identify the which differential equation will have this solution. Okay, so what is the question? We need to identify the differential equation for this question. So y for this solution, this is the solution, we need to find out the differential equation. Okay, y equal to a plus b e power minus x. How can we write this? A e power 0x plus b e power minus x. So m1 and n2, m1 equal to 0 and m2 equal to minus 1 here. So two roots are real and equal, real and unequal. For real and unequal, m1 equal to 0 and m2 equal to minus 1. So how the root will be auxiliary equation? From this, m minus 0 into m2 plus 1, sorry m only, m plus 1 equal to 0. m minus 0 into m plus 1 equal to 0. So it's simply m into m plus 1 equal to 0. So m squared plus m equal to 0. So what is the required equation? Required differential equation is nothing but y double dash plus y, m is nothing but d, replace m by d, m by d. So d is nothing but y double dash plus y dash. Okay, differentiation one time, this is two times. So y dash plus y double dash, y double dash plus y dash equal to 0. So this is the required equation. So option 4 is the right option. We'll move on to the next problem. Y equal to, here also the same thing, previous problem, like previous problem. So y equal to ax plus b the whole power e power minus is the solution of, we need to identify the differential equation. From the solution we need to form the differential equation. We'll see what is given. Y equal to ax plus b into e power minus 2x. So roots are m1 and m2, roots are real and equal. So two roots for m1, m1 equal to m2 equal to minus 2. So m minus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. Sorry, m plus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0. Then only we will get m1 and two roots, m1, m equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. So roots are minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay, so now this is the auxiliary equation. From this, m plus 2 the whole squared, right, equal to 0. So the what is the required equation? Required differential equation is nothing but replace m by d, d plus 2 the whole squared into y. Y is the solution, no? So y equal to 0. So how can we write, expand, see from this option how can expand capital D by dx. So d plus 2 the whole squared. So okay, a plus b the whole square. So d squared plus 4 plus 4d into y equal to 0. Now d squared y by dx squared plus 4 dy by dx plus constant 4 equal to 0. This is the required differential equation for this solution. So option 4, d squared y by dx squared plus 4 dy by, option 4 is the right option for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. We need to the solution of, this is as usual, differential equation is given, we need to find out the solution for this differential equation. So what is given? D squared plus 4d minus 4 into y equal to 0. So for that, how can we find out the solution? So we need to form the auxiliary equation. auxiliary equation is nothing but replace a d by m. So replace d by m is nothing but m squared plus 4m minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so we need to find out the roots. We should use factorize using minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a format. See, minus b, here a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to minus 4. So minus b equal to m, roots for m, minus b minus 4 plus or minus root of, excuse me, b squared 16 minus 4ac, minus 4 into minus 4, 16 into a plus 16 divided by 2a. 2a is nothing but 2. So minus 4 plus or minus 32. Plus or minus 32, how can we write? 16 into 2, see, plus square root, this is 32. 32 we can write square root of 16 into 2. 16 into 2, when we take 4 root 2, right? Divided by 2. Then divide by 2, minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So here two real and distinct roots. Roots are real only. See carefully, roots are real and distinct or different. Real and distinct root. So for that, what is the real and distinct? We have minus 2 plus 2 root 2 and minus 2 minus 2 root 2. So for that we have m1 and m2. For that, what is the solution? Y equal to a e power minus 2 plus, so we can write it like this, minus 2 plus 2 root 2 x plus b e power minus 2 root 2 x. Okay, so 2 roots, minus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So just I am writing minus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 minus, this is the solution. So see in the option, so here it will match. So they have taken e power minus 2x common outside. So y equal to e power minus 2x, what is remaining? A e power 2 root 2, 2 root 2x plus here b e power minus 2 root 2x. So this is the answer, solution, this one. So option 4 is the right option for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. So we need to find out the solution for this given equation. So what is the equation? First write d cube plus d squared plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. So auxiliary equation, to form the auxiliary equation, replace d by m, m cube plus m squared plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. So from here, from this, what is common? M squared is common. By taking m squared outside, what we will get? M plus 1. From this, what is common? 4. When we taking 4 outside, what we will get? 4 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Here m cube. So we have 3 roots for m. Okay. Then from this, what is common? From this 2, m plus 1 is common. So m plus 1 into m squared plus 4 equal to 0. So what is the roots? M equal to minus 1, m plus 1 equal to 0, m equal to minus 1, here plus or minus 2i. So what are all the 2 roots? Minus 1 plus 2i minus 2i. So this is the roots for 3 complex conjugate roots. Okay, so here what is the solution? A 3 different roots. Okay, or plus or minus 2i is nothing but alpha plus b. Here alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 2. So this is common, one constant. So y equal to a e power minus x plus b e power alpha x should be outside and a cos beta x plus b sin beta x for roots for complex conjugate. So e power alpha x nothing but e power 0 here. So e power 0 we will get 1 only. So I am not writing this. So e power alpha x into b cos beta x. B cos what is beta? 2 plus c sin 2x. C sin beta x. So this is the solution for this differential equation. Option 1 is the right option. 3 different roots. From the 2 roots are complex conjugate and 1 real root. Okay. Then we move on to the next problem. Solve d square plus 1 into y equal to 0 given that y of initial conditions given y of 0 equal to 0, y dash of 0 equal to 1. We'll see what is given. D squared plus 1 into y equal to 0. We should find the solution first. Then by using these conditions we should find out the constant. We'll see how can we find out. Okay. To form the auxiliary equation is nothing but replace d by m. So m square plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to plus or minus 1i or I simply. Okay. Here roots are what? What is the solution? Whenever roots are complex conjugate, this is a form of 0 plus or minus 1 plus I. So alpha plus or minus I beta. So what is alpha here? 0, beta equal to 1, right? So e power alpha x. So e power 0x into a cos beta x. A cos x only. Beta value 1. Na? So then b sin beta x. B sin beta nothing but sin x only. So e power 0x we will get 1 only. So y equal to a cos x plus b sin x. So this is the solution for the differential equation. So what is given? Initial conditions are given. So from this we a cos x here. Find out the constant value and substitute that constant value in this equation. We will solve this. Okay. So what is that? Y of 0 equal to 0. I am writing this y of 0 equal to 0 and what is the next one? Y dash of 0 equal to 1. Right? Okay. First we will apply this equation y of 0 equal to 0, which means that x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y value equal to 0. Okay. Say it is a equation 1. So substitute x here. Sorry. This one. Substitute x and y value equal to 0. At x equal to 0, y value equal to 0. What is the meaning of y of 0 equal to 0 is nothing but at x equal to 0, y value equal to 0. So substitute x and y value 0 here. Okay, in that equation. Y equal to 0 na, then a cos 0. Substitute x equal to 0. A cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. So simply we will get a only. Then b sin 0, sin 0 0. So this term won't come. So a value equal to 0. Then what is given? Y dash of 0 equal to 1. Y dash of 0 means we need to find at x equal to 0, y dash value equal to 1. Okay. Now we need to find out the y dash. How can we find? Just differentiate this equation 1. So y dash equal to, whenever differentiating with respect to x, what we will get? A minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now substitute x equal to 0 and y dash equal to 1. Y dash equal to 1 and x equal to 0. Whenever substituting x equal to 0, this term gets 0. Sin 0 0. Then this term cos 0 1. So only b only. B equal to 1 and a equal to 0. So a equal to 0, substitute here. This term gets 0 na. First term won't come. Then b equal to 1, we will get sin x alone. So y equal to sin x. So y equal to sin x is the answer for this problem. Option 2 is the right option. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. D cube minus 1 into y equal to 0. So just solve this equation. D cube minus 1 into y equal to 0. What is the first step to form the auxiliary equation? So replace d by m. M cube minus 1 equal to 0. this is like a cube minus b cube format, right? We have two roots, so 3 roots, sorry, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b square. So we will find out the roots for this, okay. A minus b is nothing but a equal to m, b equal to 1. So m minus 1, m minus 1 into m squared plus m plus 1 equal to 0. So m minus 1 equal to 0, one root is nothing but m equal to 1. Then for this we should find out the factors using minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So a equal to m, b equal to m, c equal to 1. Okay. M equal to minus b minus m plus or minus square root of b squared m squared minus 4ac 4m. Coefficient of m, really sorry, coefficient of m is nothing but 1 1 1. I am just putting m. Okay. A, B and C value is 1. Just substitute this equation m value. So minus b minus 1 plus or minus square root of b squared 1 minus 4ac 4 divided by 2a divided by 2. Okay. So minus 1 plus or minus minus 1 plus or minus root 3 I by 2 m equal to, so and m equal to 1, 3 roots. Okay, m1 m2 m3. m1 is real root 1, then complex 2 complex conjugate roots. Just substitute here. So y equal to, whenever two roots come, what we will get for these roots? A e power x. Okay, a e power x. Then this is like alpha plus or minus I beta. What is alpha? Alpha equal to minus 1 by 2 and beta equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So for this a e power x plus, so e power alpha x will be outside. E power alpha x is nothing but e power minus x by 2 into b cos beta x. Beta is root 3 by 2x plus c sin root 3 by 2x beta x. So this is the solution, a e power x, e power minus x by 2 and this one. Okay, 3 roots, just apply. So which is option 4 is the right option for this problem. So we need to find out the particular integral for this problem. dq, particular integral, we should use RHS, e power 2x divided by dq minus 1. So just substitute d by 2 here. Whenever exponential term comes, we should replace d by alpha. So d, here alpha equal to 2, so d equal to 2. So e power 2x divided by 2 cube minus 1. E power 2x divided by 8 minus 1, what we will get? E power 2x by 7. Pi equal to e power 2x by 7. So option 3, e power 2x by 7 is the right option. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, what is given? The roots of the auxiliary equation of constant coefficient differential equation are 1 plus or minus I, 1 plus or minus I. Write its complementary function. So roots of auxiliary equation roots, we have 4 roots given. We should find out the complementary roots, complementary function. So here very simple, the roots of the auxiliary equation is given. We should find out the complementary function according to the roots. Okay, according to the roots we should find out the complementary function. So see what is the complementary function. So here roots are 4 roots we have. Okay, we have 4 roots. So we should have 4 roots. See, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I, again 1 plus I, 1 minus I. So all roots are complex conjugate and 2 roots are repeated. Repeated roots So these are repeated na, these two are repeated and complex conjugate roots. So first we identify the roots type, then only we can form the auxiliary equation, complementary function. Repeated and complex conjugate roots. So for that alpha equal to 1 and beta is also 1, okay, for all. Alpha plus or minus beta, alpha plus or minus I beta. So alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to 1 as well, okay. So for this, what is the complementary function? Say it is y equal to, so for repeated roots, for repeated and equal roots, repeated, equal and complex, repeated and equal are same only, repeated and complex conjugate. For repeated roots it is e power x, should be outside, c1 plus c2x into cos x cos beta x, right, beta equal to 1. E power alpha x is outside, then two roots, okay, c1 plus c2x into cos x cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x into sin beta x, beta value is 1, okay, sin x. So we have 4 constant, we have 4 roots as well. So e power alpha x plus some constant into cos beta x plus some constant into sin beta x, okay. This is one option. 1 is the right option for this problem. E power x c1 plus c2x cos x plus c3 plus c4x into sin x, okay. Then we will move on to the next problem. D minus 1 the whole squared into y sin h2x. We are going to find out the particular integral for this. This is the final problem in this type, okay. We need to find out the particular integral for this. D minus 1 the whole squared into y equal to sin h2x. In general, sin hx, in general, what is sin h is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. Similarly, particular integral is nothing but right hand side sin h2x divided by f of d, d minus 1 the whole square. So what is sin h2x? E power 2x plus e power minus 2x 1 by 2 into, okay, divided by 2, okay, 1 by 2 into e power 2x plus e power minus 2x divided by d minus 1 the whole square. We can split it, right? So how can we split? Half e power 2x divided by 2x d minus 1 the whole squared plus half e power minus 2x d minus 1 the whole squared, right? Here what is replace d by 2 here replace d by minus 2 and then substitute this and simplify, okay, very simple. So substitute d by 2 alpha x, here alpha equal to minus 2 na. So I will write here. So e power 2 minus 1, what we will get? 1 squared 1 only, so e power 2x by 2. Here e power minus 2x minus 2 minus 1, what we will get? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 the whole squared 9 into 2 18. So what we will get? E power 2x by 2 plus e power minus 2x by 18. So okay, here this is minus sign, sorry, e power x minus e power minus x na, for sin x, sin hx this is minus, so this is also minus sign, okay, minus, this is minus e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2 for sin hx, okay. So all minus signs. So what is the answer? Half e power 2x by 2 minus e power minus 2x by 18. Option 2 is the right option, okay. We will end the video. up to this problem. Okay, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus. This is, as I told earlier, this is a series of differential equations. So in our future videos also we are going to solve many problems under this type. So kindly stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.